G'day guys, Grubby Trev back again with another 5-minute bite or binner review. This week we've got the HGLRC XJB-145. What a mouthful. But look, Stu's had one of these. I had to get one because it looks so much fun to fly. So what we're going to do is stick it on the bench, have a quick look, and then we'll take it out for a spin. Alright guys, got this thing on the bench, going to have a really quick look at it. 3mm carbon fibre frame. We've got the little stack here, which is the 28 amp 4-in-1 BLES, which connected to the motors here, the 1407-3600KV motors, which are the HGLRC brand. Oh, mouthful. Why do they have these names? F4 flight controller with built-in OSD, and your VTX at the top, which is 25, 100, 200 and 350 milliamp. 48 channels, so that's a heap, absolute crap load of channels. At the front we've got a Superhead 2 CCD camera, so we should be able to see where we're going pretty good. And just a little dipole at the back there for our VTX. So look, we'll get out in the field, see how we go. It looks pretty good to me, so we'll come back with the conclusions. Hey guys, here we are out in the field. Oh, I didn't see you there, Stu. We're going to do the XJB's, whatever, what is it called? XJB
145.
145. Ah, that's it.
XJB 145.
Anyway, you should know what it is, it's in the description already. So we're going to give it a fang, and we'll see how it goes. Back in a tick. Okay, you can see I'm about a minute in on the video. This track's a little bit different to what we normally fly, so we got a bit sick of the old one, so we thought we'd get something a bit flowier and faster for a change, and it did fang around this track. This thing out of the box was just so locked in, how they should be. This is what a quad should be like out of the box, so anyone can fly it, and it was great. I really did like this. As you can see, it's just fanging around this track, handling it really well, locked in. Love flying this. I can see what Cal and Stu are on about, and why Cal's got two of them. So he loves this thing. He's been flying it all day. So I'm really enjoying this, and it's going to go in my pack from now on. Camera was really good. Nice colours. The flickering there was just the DVR. My goggles. Don't know why I'm getting the flicker. I wasn't getting it in the goggles at all. Yeah, this thing had power to burn. It was using a 850 milliamp 4S battery on this run, 65C, and got just over 3 minutes of it, and I was pushing it pretty hard. Anyway, enjoy a couple of laps, and we'll get to the conclusion. This thing I would recommend to anyone, newbie, intermediate, whatever. It's just a fun little quad to fly. Anyone could fly this. Well, I can fly it, so anyone can. Anyway, let's get back to it. Okay guys, yeah, just took this thing fangs. I got to tell you, all the hype that Cal's been going on about this thing, he loves it, I love it, I'm in love. This, I just can't explain it, it just went like a friggin' bullet. So, buy to bin it, this is definitely a buy. I'll leave a link down below if you want to get one, but I love this thing. On 4S it's a rocket. So, yeah, definitely get it, catch us.
Best quad under 200 bucks, I'm telling you.
Anyway, I like that. Still recording.
Do you reckon that you had more fun today with that over your 5-inch? What one did you prefer to fly?
Oh shit, yeah, this this is, I reckon it was way more fun than my 5-inch today, for sure.
That's why Cal has two. How many? You have two, right? Yeah.
Two.
That's excessive.
And that's my primary flyer now, a 3-inch. I can't believe it. Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff.